Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm really excited to bring you this nude lip tutorial. If you know anything about me, you know that I love me a nude lip. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, Exhibit C. So today I'll be showing you step by step on how I create this beautiful lip. And watch all the way to the end for a special little treat for you, my beautiful, wonderful supporters. Let's get started. Alright guys, I am so excited for today's video because I will be showing how I always create my nude lips. So let's get started. Well, first things first guys, let's start by exfoliating the lip. Exfoliating your lip can help eliminate some of the dry, flaking skin that can build up and immediately restore some shine and softness, getting it nice and prepped for that lip product. Just a real quick reminder, you do not want to over exfoliate your lip. You do want to use a lip exfoliator in soft circular motions. Now that these lips are nice and exfoliated, let's move on to step number 1. As you read on the video title, this nude lip will be provided by Morphe brushes. I will be using 3 of their color pencils and 1 of their lipsticks. And I don't know, maybe we'll add gloss. Let's get started. Alright guys, I will be using 3 of the Morphe brushes color pencil. The first one is in the shade Sweet Tea, and it's gonna be my medium color shade. The second color is in the shade called Bar, which is the darkest shade. I'm gonna be using this color to corner the outside V's of my mouth. And the last color, Bamboo, is gonna be applied to the middle of the lip. Starting off with Sweet Tea, as I mentioned, I'm gonna go ahead and just follow my natural line of my lip. Now it might look a little too big on this side of my lip, but I have to overcompensate on this corner of my lip because it is not the same as this one. You will see at the end of it how it's going to be nice and blended. Next, I'm going to move to the top of the lip. And that's it for Sweet Tea. So my second darkest shade, Bar, I'm gonna be using it to just corner the outside V's of my mouth. Now I like using Bar as my second shade because I use this just to add extra dimension to the corners of the mouth. For that inside pout, I'm gonna be using Bamboo. And my last shade for the color pencils that I'll be using will be Bamboo. And this will be applied just to the center of the lip to create that pout and to sketch out where we're gonna be using the lipstick. So, one of my absolutely favorite nude shade lippies is by no other but Morphe brushes. And this one is in the shade First Base. And I love this First Base. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and load this brush up with First Base. I'm gonna be applying this to the middle of my lip wherever we applied that Bamboo color pencil. So once first base is applied, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the color pencil in Sweet Tea to go ahead and create that ombre that we all love. But if you know me, you know that I love me a shiny, glossy, wet lip. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe Chill Gloss to add that last and final pop. And that is with the Morphe Chill Gloss. What are you? I want to know. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are a matte girl or are you a glossy girl. Can you guess what am I? Alright guys, Kiki's recap. I did create these nude lips using 3 of the Morphe brushes color pencils in the shade Sweet Tea, Bar, and Bamboo. I also used the Morphe lipstick in the shade First Base while adding Chill lip gloss for that extra dimensional pop. Now, do you remember the little surprise that I was talking about at the beginning of this video? Well, I've partnered with Morphe brushes to provide you, my beautiful and wonderful supporters, a discount code for $5 off any $10 or more purchase from Morphe brushes. Please use GlamFam517 to save money off your next order. So if you're ready to rock these nude lips, head on over to Morphe and snatch these while you can. I will also be listing the code down in the comment section below along with the restrictions. I hope you enjoyed this lip tutorial and make sure to give it a like and leave me down a comment below so you can tell me what you would like me to create for you next. Until next time guys, bye.